Hello, good morning everyone. So glad you could join us today for this AMA session focusing on the Project Robinhood, our exciting platform for digital content creators. Today we are diving deep into the world of content creation and we have got a special guest with us, Fizza, our marketing director. So let's join our hands to welcome Fizza. Thank you Fizza for joining us today. How are you doing?
It's a pleasure to be here. I'm eager to discuss everything about Robinhood and, of course, engage with our community.
That's great. Of course, it's a pleasure to have you here. So, to kick things off, Pizza, could you please give us a quick rundown of what Robinhood is all about and what we are aiming to achieve there?
Well, Robinhood is a state of the art platform designed to support digital artists and content creators through a blockchain technology. Our main goal is to create a secure and transparent ecosystem where creators can monetize their work as NFTs and engage directly with a global audience.
All right, that sounds fantastic. How about let's get into the nitty gritty of the project? How exactly are we incorporating all these new technologies into the mix?
I have to say that we are pioneering the integration of AI and blockchain with content creation, providing a platform where creators can interact in real time with their audience and reward them using our proprietary Robinhood tokens.
That's great. There is some cutting edge stuff that we are talking about here, right? So, what would you say sets Robinhood apart from the other platforms out there?
Robinhood sets itself apart in the digital content creation landscape through a suite of innovative features that are designed to enhance user engagement and provide robust monetization opportunities and leverage the latest in blockchain and AI technologies. If I have to mention the core features, then they would be, of course, that Robinhood offers an easy to navigate platform that simplifies the content creation and publishing process, making it accessible for creators. And I have to say, it is at all levels. Then I would suggest that creators can tokenize their content, which is amazing, as NFTs. You must have heard non fungible tokens using Robinhood. This allows them to monetize unique digital content by selling it directly to consumers or through token based auctions.
All right. Completely love that analogy, Pizza. Moving on, let's talk about the partnerships. How do we go about choosing the right partners to enhance the Robinhood experience and all?
When selecting partners to enhance Robinhood experience, we follow a strategic and meticulous process that aligns closely with our overarching vision for the platform. Our goal is to forge partnerships that not only enhance the functionality and reach of Robinhood, but also significantly enrich the user experience. For that, we use the approach of alignment with vision and values. First and foremost, we ensure that the potential partners share our core values and vision for democratizing content in creation and distribution, of course. This means that looking for partners who are committed to innovation, user empowerment, and transparency, these are all the key pillars. Moving on to the next, I guess it would be technological innovation. We prioritize partnerships with tech innovators, of course, who bring cutting edge technologies to the table. This could involve advanced blockchain solutions with enhanced our tokenomics, AI driven tools that improve content personalization and discovery. We are also going to go towards AR and VR technologies. Then comes complementary capabilities. We look for partners who are capable and can expand our own ecosystem, whether it's through superior content distribution networks, in innovative user engagement tools, or enhanced analytics. It can be anything. Last but not the least, I would mention the user experience enhancement. Every partner is evaluated by us on its potential to improve the overall user experience on Robinhood. This includes smoother user interface, more robust technology, and enhanced interactive elements, or anything that else that can make our platform more enjoyable and, of course, easier to use for both creators as well as for consumers.
All right, completely got your point there. So, speaking of value, how exactly does these Robinhood tokens benefits the creators?
Certainly. Robinhood tokens are designed to fundamentally enhance how creators can monetize, engage with their audience, and participate in platform governance. If I have to break down this, I would go for the revolutionization, the traditional monetization models, which are allowing creators to earn based on the engagement. If I evaluate it further, this means that creators receive tokens not just for the content they produce, but for the interaction it generates. That can include the likes, comments, shares, and views as well. This system encourages the creation of high quality, engaging content as more interactions translate directly into higher earnings. It can also allow creators to benefit continuously from evergreen content that keeps attracting viewers over the time.
Thank you so much for elucidating it quite greatly. I would like to ask, is there a content moderation system in place at Robinhood right now?
Certainly, I have to mention it over here that we have a stringent moderation policy and a very dedicated and diligent team to ensure a safe and high quality environment. We prioritize this a lot. Our community also plays a crucial role in maintaining standards by reporting inappropriate content.
That sounds amazing to hear. Why don't we switch gears a bit? Like, what initiatives
Mhm.
are in place to foster a strong community at the Robinhood?
Well, fostering a community and engaging community is at the heart of what we do at Robinhood because obviously you can see that is what we believe in. A wider community is not only enhancing the user experience but also drives the platform growth and innovation. We encourage open dialogue and interaction among our users through our platform forums and discussion boards available on Robinhood. These are very helping and are able to generate the content using industry trends and user experience. Plus, regular live events such as Q&A sessions with influential creators, webinars on content creation, and workshops on leveraging Robinhood features are integral to our community. These events are very popular and very helpful for all of us.
Couldn't agree more, Fiza. Couldn't agree more. For some new to Robinhood, how user friendly is the platform for the content creation? Like, it is easy for them to navigate here and there and create content or get the ideas or anything like that.
Right, Robinhood is exceptionally user friendly. Our platform provides comprehensive tools and tutorials to assist creators on all levels in producing and sharing content with these. It is so easy, and that is why we call it the key of our success.
That's satisfying. Great. So let's wrap up the discussion with the last question. What exciting features, future developments can user can look forward to at Robinhood?
We continuously improving our creator tools and exploring multilingual support to make Robinhood accessible globally. Expect more innovative features that enhance more creation process and user engagement in the future because we are working 24/7 on the updations.
Fantastic, fantastic. Well, Fiza, that's been all from my side, and it's been an absolute pleasure chatting with you today and listening to all the details and the guidance you provided about the Robinhood. Are there any final thoughts before we close out that you want to share with us?
Nothing much. Thank you so much for having me. It was fantastic connecting with you and with the audience. Thank you.
Thank you so much. We appreciate all the great answers that you provided us. And for more information or to begin your journey on Robinhood, please visit our website at robinhood.com. Stay engaged through our social media channels for updates and stories for our community. You can see the links down below in the description, and we look forward to seeing you on the creative contributions. Keep shining and goodbye.